Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to see who messaged you on NGL Link. So guys, this is very simple process. Everyone can do it very easily. So don't waste your time and let's get start the video. Please watch full video without skipping. First we tap on NGL app and you can see you have to copy the link and tap on share, and you can see these options are help you. So first and next and next and next. So yeah, I hope you understand. And then you going to inbox and see the message. This very simple process, you can do it very easily. So I hope you like the video and this video is helpful for you. So please guys, subscribe my channel, like the video and leave the comment in below, and don't forget to press the bell icon for new updates. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.